Hey everyone, it's Tiffany. If you are running out of space and need to store a lot of clothes, shoes, gear, and other accessories, you're going to want to check out this industrial metal rack. Super great. You can organize it and build it in two different ways. Very DIY friendly. Holds up to 1,600 pounds worth of stuff. So if you have someone in your family, or maybe it's you, that has a lot of hobbies, this is going to be so great if you don't have extra space in your house or your garage to store the stuff that you need to keep organized and at hand. So what we have here is the black version, and we decided to build this with the two shelves on either side and then an open space for clothes in the middle and some additional storage space right next to it. But what it allows us to do is hang and store away on shelves at the same time, and it looks great. We still have some room to grow and put more things on it, but that's the beauty of it, because you can have so much more storage as you need it, and you can adjust it as well. You have a hanging rod that spans the entire length, which is about 104 inches or so. The depth is about 15 inches, and the height is about 6.5 feet. So you have a lot of space, especially on a blank wall like this. It just gives you a lot of storage. Plus you have the top, like we have some bags up here. You can stack stuff on there as well. So 1,600 pounds worth of stuff is gonna get you a long way. This is also able to be taken off. So you can take off the rod if you don't need it and just stack things, which is another great thing. You do have additional rods for hanging down in the middle to lower section. So what I've done here, we have some fly fishing and fishing gear. We have some metal detecting gear, some storage in containers, clothing, and then some just bags and boxes and more clothing, hiking stuff for hunting and all of that good stuff. So there's a lot of hobby stuff here, but you can absolutely do other things, clothes, accessories, handbags, you name it, it can fit on here. So whether you're looking for more of like a closet or more of like a hobby storage, this is just a versatile way to make your organization in a bedroom or office or hobby room even more usable. And what also is really great about this rack is it has adjustable feet on it, and it's going to protect your floor. Also, it's like a little bit of a rubbery material. It's not sharp and heavy, so that's going to protect your floors. And then it also comes with some safety straps. So if you do have kids, or you just want to make sure that it is not going to tip whatsoever, but is very durable and steady here, you can attach these to the wall and it's not going to move anywhere. So they give you 3 of those, which is really great. You can put one here in the middle and then on the other side. So overall, I'm really loving this rack. It's given us so much more room in our area versus having to stack totes and having a stuffed closet. So y'all check out this rack. It also comes in white. So if you're looking for more of like a bedroom storage, if you don't have a closet or you just need more space, this would be a really good option for you to try out. So hopefully you guys like it as much as we have.